the track hoe. I left the key on. The battery's dead. Yeah. Okay, so I'm trying out this GoPro today. Do some in-cab shots and start turning. Get 'em. Ah, the stupid. So I'm not very good at this Skidsteer. That's okay. We're gonna have fun with it. That's not true. Alright. So in my last video, I was in a little bit too much of a hurry and completely forgot to turn the key off on the track hoe. So it was completely dead, of course. My fault, but we got her jumped, back in business in no time. You'll have that on the big jobs. You guys starting to see why I didn't put the name perfect in my page? Yeah. It's pretty obvious. So here I come in with the SVL 90-2, this Kubota Skidsteer. We're taking this pile of topsoil, which is left over from a barn pad that Jerry had pushed off, and we're just packing it over to where Mike's at on the 120, and he's using the 120 to sprinkle it out across that septic field we just did. Hey, opinion here. I'm not used to running this skid loader. You see that ditch I keep having to go through. In hindsight, and I'm looking for your opinion on it, would you guys have just thrown a bucket of dirt in there to make a smooth transition while we were working and then dig it out afterwards, or just keep pushing through each time? What do you guys think? All right, that's it for this one. Thanks for tagging along on it, guys. It wasn't anything too crazy, just some C+ operating skills with a little bit of music, but I hope you found it entertaining. As always, I'd like to do a shout out to the new subscribers I see making comments. Barnyard Engineering, Burning Dinosaurs, Mr. Baker's Cats. Yep, all right. Thank you guys for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to do so. Like, comment, all that good stuff. And as always, we'll see you guys on the next one.